Ever wondered how to maintain a healthy diet when you're always on the go? Balancing work, personal life, and health can often feel like a juggling act. But fear not, it's not as daunting as it seems. Here are some nutrition hacks that are sure to help you stay on track even during the busiest of days. 1. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. It's the fuel that kickstarts your metabolism and keeps you energized throughout the day. Think Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of chia seeds, or a smoothie with a scoop of protein powder. 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is a magic elixir that helps with digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and even boosts your mood. Carry a reusable water bottle and make a habit of sipping on it throughout the day. 3. Pack your lunch. This not only saves you money, but also ensures you're eating something healthy. Mix and match proteins, carbs, and veggies to create a balanced meal. A chicken salad with quinoa and mixed greens, or a whole grain wrap with turkey and avocado are great options. 4. Snack smart. Keep healthy snacks at hand to avoid reaching for those sugary treats. Nuts, seeds, fruits, or yogurt are nutritious and satisfying. 5. Plan your meals. This might sound time-consuming, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. Spend a little time during the weekend planning your meals for the week. This will keep you from making unhealthy last-minute food choices. 6. Make friends with the freezer. Prepare meals in bulk and freeze them. On those extra busy days, all you'll have to do is heat and eat. 7. Learn to read food labels. This will help you make informed choices about what you're putting into your body. Look for foods low in sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. 8. Practice portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Even healthy foods can pack on the pounds if consumed in large quantities. Now let's quickly recap. Start your day with protein, hydrate often, pack your lunch, snack smart, plan your meals, use your freezer, read food labels, and practice portion control. Remember, the key to maintaining a healthy diet amidst a busy lifestyle is preparation and making conscious food choices. It's about creating a lifestyle that is sustainable and enjoyable. So here's to a healthier, happier you.